Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. This is WabiMoji and I am Martin Kumamoto. I am from Romania actually, but I spent in Japan a lot of time. I came in 2012 with the purpose of learning as much as I can. I am now a professor in university teaching a mix of classes. I'm teaching Japanese culture and Japanese literature. But when I came many years ago here in Japan, I wanted to learn a few other things. So first of all, I wanted to learn, of course, the language because I wanted to have access to those books, that literature, those books in the stores and in the library. I wanted to be able to read that in Japanese. But I also wanted to learn a few arts. I was a practitioner of Aikido. Actually, I think it's the 20th year of practice in Aikido. I'm a fourth dan instructor, and I opened my own dojo in Kyoto last year. But after that, I mean, immediately, actually, after 1 month spent in Japan, I wanted to start another art, and that is shodō, the Japanese calligraphy. Uh, and I spent a lot of time, so basically, like 13 years training in Japanese calligraphy as well. Last year, I published a novel because I feel more comfortable to write in Romanian, my native tongue, than in English or Japanese. The novel is written in Romanian, but I am now also a published author. And all these experiences, of teaching, of study, of Aikido, of Japanese calligraphy, of writing, of learning the Japanese, is big, right? It's a huge thing that I realized at some point I want to share. Actually, this happened after 8 years spent here in Japan, and it took me another 5 years to decide that I want to start this project, create this channel, and finally move a little bit to share with you this. So this channel is going to be mainly about letters, let's say in general, Japanese calligraphy, but also maybe literature and things related to Japanese culture in general. I want to create a lot of tutorials and also some art. And maybe some of you wonder why WabiMoji, what does it mean? Well, moji means letters in Japanese, and wabi is a complex thing. It comes from wabishi, but maybe it's easier for you to understand if you think of wabi-sabi. It's a concept related to art, let's say, and basically expresses this idea that things are imperfect and everything is transient, everything passes away. And WabiMoji is kind of saying imperfect letters, finding peace, finding satisfaction in things, in letters that are imperfect. Here on this channel, I want to create things related to Japanese calligraphy, let's say mainly. I want to create tutorials about how to write nice and tiny hiragana, katakana, the Japanese alphabets, and but also kanji. I want to tell you a lot of things about different styles of calligraphy, about how to write with the pencil, with a small brush or with a big brush. So there are all these learning things that I want to create, but also I hope to develop a little bit my own art, and I want WabiMoji to be this kind of place. But the biggest picture is to create a place of development. So this is, let's say, my philosophy. I wanted to be surrounded by nature and learn from nature and be able finally to produce something artistic, something that expresses myself as a human being. So it's always like a big circle of nature, then a smaller one of learning, and finally even smaller one of art. And I want WabiMoji to be something that is guided and well, maybe leads to this sort of philosophy. But as you probably already imagined, well, this needs a lot of time, a lot of effort. I am again a teacher in university now, and I enjoy very much my job because I'm connected with younger people, and I receive a lot of energy from them, so it's very rewarding. But in the same time, I want to develop something that is more artistic, a way to express myself, and for this, I need a lot of time. And so again, if you want to contribute, you can find a Patreon page. You can find a few other links in the description, and this will be a great help. Basically, each contribution will help me with gain 1 more minute or maybe 1 hour to spend to create all these tutorials and to develop my own art and show it. Well, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. And